You want to come out? Come here. Come here, Romy. Hi. Step up, little man. Oh, you're so good. Love that bird. Love my baby bird. Oh, look at you. Look at you being so good. Look at that Romy. What an amazingly good bird. Aren't you a good boy? Aren't you good? Look at you, baby. Oh my goodness, what a good boy. What a good baby you are, yeah. Such a good baby. Love that Romy, yeah. What a good boy you are. The rougher Romy is a good bird. And so gentle and so sweet. What a gentle baby. What a sweet baby. He's a sweet baby bird. He's a sweetheart. He's a sweet baby. What a pretty bird. What a nice little bird you are. So you're going to live with people who love you. You're going to live with people who love you a lot. Yeah. You're going to have a new family. And they're going to be crazy about you. Because you're pretty wonderful. You're pretty wonderful, baby. Such a good boy. Love that little Romy. Love that Romy. What a good bird you are. Oh my goodness, you're a good bird. Such a good baby. You're so good. He's a good bird. He's such a good bird. There you go.